morning. It is vlog 285 today, and today is a special day because it is our friend Carol's birthday. And
Happy birthday, Carol!
Kathy's texting me right now. Happy birthday, Carol! This vlog is dedicated to you. As with most Mondays and Tuesdays, we're going to the gym. But that's going to change soon because Kathy just got another job and she's building a big ass
spider.
Yes, a huge spider for the prank show. Oh, hey, traffic suddenly appeared. Got to stop. So a big prank spider for this Disney show. How big is it?
Well, it'll probably end up to be about 6 feet.
Yeah, so it's big enough to have a person inside it. It's going to have a stunt girl inside it doing her thing. So that's going to be kind of cool.
Yeah.
That doesn't start for about a week. So until then, what are you doing?
Wedding dress. I gotta really get going now because this wedding's only 2 months away.
Really?
Wait, 2?
Really? No,
Wait,
it's not.
3.
Jeez, don't give me a heart attack. This wedding's taking place up in Napa, which is going to be great. We're going to be vlogging it, so we get to take you guys to the wedding. So in a way, you know, you guys get to crash the wedding.
And what wedding we're talking about is our son Sean.
Yeah, and his girlfriend Isla, soon to be our daughter-in-law.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Very cool. Normally, there's 2 glasses on each side of this wine bottle, but people keep stealing them.
2 giant wine glasses.
Time we head down PCH and we look at those wine glasses, there's either 2 of them there, 1 of them, or no glasses.
They have had to replace those glasses, I'd say at least 5 times.
And they're like about 18 inches tall.
Yeah.
So someone has to come in and break them off and steal them.
Nobody stole the wine.
No. It's probably because there's no wine there.
No, it's because it's bolted down better.
If there was wine, you'd probably be taken.
Right.
Another enormous day of pain.
I know.
Good pain. There's lots of different kinds of pain, but going to the gym is a good pain.
It's a good pain.
Well, sometimes.
Makes you feel good.
Sometimes it's a good pain. Wow, look at those clouds. Incredible. Went back to the pad, dropped Kathy off, had some lunch, back up into town. I can only go for so long without searching for some cool cars. So I gotta go up into town, got a couple errands to do, but I'm gonna search around, see what I can find. This is the main shopping center in Malibu. It's called the main shopping center. It's frickin' windy again today.
not that familiar with, but I'm Kelly so.
Yeah, Kathy's building wedding dresses. She has no idea what she's doing. She's so used to building mascots and things that look really weird, like vegetables and fruits and
License plates.
license plates.
I don't want her to look like
When
that.
it comes to a wedding dress, it's like all bets are off. So
It's gotta be perfect.
we'll see. Our kitchen looks like a war zone.
And so does our backyard. And so does our bedroom.
Our bedroom looks like a war zone? What have you done up, what have you done up there?
I got half the wedding dress up there, half of it in the living room, and then I'm working in the kitchen. It's too windy to work outside. And anyways, you can't work on a wedding dress right next to the bandsaw. Something's just not right about that.
You know that bunny that was in that commercial where it would just go and pound and pound? Everybody pretty much knows that. It goes and it goes and it just never lets up, and then slowly it starts to wean down. But there's just nothing that would ever stop it. That's Kathy. The only difference between the bunny and Kathy is that Kathy doesn't slowly wind down. Kathy goes, wah, and then just explosion and stuff flying everywhere, and it's generally mascot parts and pipes and all kinds of materials, or pieces of me, or my clothing or things like that. She's just kind of extreme that way. But on both the positive and negative side. On the positive side, nobody works harder than this woman. And she takes on projects that she's pretty convinced she can't do, and then she powers through it. And now she's talking to herself. I don't know what that's about. A human being actually truly deserved an action figure, it would be Kathy. And she just needs a little cape or something, because she's truly an Amazonian superwoman. Okay, so today, not necessarily any rain or stuff, but the wind was blowing and howling like crazy. People still freak out and don't bring out their cars, although we did spot a few. Those were pretty cool, not too bad. But got to poke around town. Generally when a job is over, one of Kathy's jobs, we tend to lay low a little bit, not do too much, because there's a lot of stuff coming in the next few days. Huge amount of stuff coming. What is it? Well, I'm glad you asked.
Tomorrow, the Mazda CX-3 is being swapped for the Kia Forte. Yes, 2016 model. Looks good. Can't wait to get it. Thursday, I'm headed down to Wicked Customs. We're going to take a look at the progress on our SEMA car. And that afternoon, we're going to go over to Chip's shop and introduce you guys to Chip Boost. If you already know Chip, then it doesn't matter. But his shop is cool, and you're going to dig it. Friday is April Fool's Day. I don't have anything planned for that other than, April Fool's thing. Saturday, it's back down to the shop, but on the tag end of that day, we're gonna go see Batman vs. Superman, and that's gonna be cool. And on Sunday, it's the really big day. It's the Vintage Car Show, and I'm gonna be bringing something really cool with my friend Vladdy. After that, we're gonna be driving down to Century City, and we're gonna go see, we're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go see 10 Cloverfield Lane. The reason? It's my birthday.
And I bet you can't guess how old I am. Don't even try. She's still talking to herself. That's it for Vlog 285. Go get some coffee, get a donut, get something really tasty and delicious and bad for you on me. Go, right now. Turn this thing off. Okay, I'll turn it off.